Good day everyone. I am Dr. Veenu from Mysore. Today is May 5th. Today is Pulmonary Artery Hypertension Day. Why such a day? Because this disease is prevalent in more than 25 million people, but the awareness is very low. So basically the day to spread awareness about this disease. This disease mainly means that the arteries in the lungs have a much higher pressure, just like how we say systemic hypertension, that is high blood pressure. Just like that, the lung pressure is more, so that is when we call it as pulmonary artery hypertension. There are many causes for this. My interest increases as it affects women more than men, sometimes up to 4 times more in women. But women, if it is detected early and treated early, have a much better survival when compared to that of men. So there are few causes with respect to women which I would like to specifically say. One is because of genetic problems, they can have this pulmonary artery hypertension. The other reasons are some congenital problems wherein they are born with some birth defects which leads to pulmonary artery hypertension. Then the other main treatable causes that we need to look at is, one is obesity, which is quite common, and it is one of the treatable causes because once lifestyle modification is done, weight loss is done, the pulmonary artery hypertension can completely disappear. The second thing is when patients are obese, they can have obstructive sleep apnea. That is, at night they'll have obstruction to the airways, due to which they will snore and then they will stop breathing for some time. This leads to increase in blood pressure during that time, and in the long run leads to pulmonary artery hypertension. So preventing this obstruction by, one is reduction of weight, then doing breathing exercises including pranayama, and also regular use of BiPAP, that is an outside ventilator during night during sleeping, can completely treat the pulmonary artery hypertension. The other reason is clot in the veins of the body, which due to many reasons, maybe because patients take oral contraceptive pills, or because they have some genetic defects, due to which they will develop some clots in the veins. So if they are regularly on blood thinners, keeping the blood really thin in therapeutic level, even this type of pulmonary artery hypertension can be prevented to a large extent. One more thing I would like to stress upon is, in women with pulmonary artery hypertension, pregnancy becomes a big problem because it even leads to mortality in these patients. So pregnancy needs to be avoided. So there are other certain things that pulmonary artery hypertension patients can take into consideration. That is, they should avoid dehydration, they should avoid high altitude, they should avoid at least when avoid flights, but if they have to travel by flight, at least take the necessary doses of blood thinners before they travel. So in spreading awareness, let us look into early detection of this disease and also better treatment for everybody. Thank you.